So, what matters in a home inspection? Now that you've bought your home and had your inspection, you might still have some questions about your new house and the items that were revealed in the report. Home maintenance is a primary responsibility of every homeowner, whether you've lived in several homes or this is just your first one. Staying on top of a seasonal home maintenance schedule is essential, and your home inspector can help you figure this out so you don't fall behind. Don't let minor maintenance and routine repairs turn into expensive disasters that come later due to neglect or simply because you're not sure what needs to be done and when. Your home inspection report is a great place to start. In addition to the written reports, checklists, photos, and what your inspector told you during the inspection, not to mention the seller's disclosure and what you might have noticed yourself. It's easy to become overwhelmed. However, your inspection report likely included mostly maintenance recommendations, the life expectancy of the home's various systems and components, and minor imperfections. These are useful to know about, but the issues that matter fall into four main categories. 1, major defects such as structural failure. 2, things that can lead to major defects such as a small leak due to a defective roof flashing. Or 3, things that may hinder your ability to finance, legally occupy, or insure the home if not rectified immediately. And 4, safety hazards, including an exposed to live wire in an electrical box. Anything in these categories should be addressed as soon as possible. A serious problem can often be corrected inexpensively to protect life and property, especially in categories 2 and 4. Most sellers are honest and are often surprised to learn of defects uncovered during the inspection. It's important to realize that sellers are not obligated to repair everything mentioned in your inspection report. No house is perfect. Keep things in perspective as you move into your new home. Remember that home ownership is both a joyful experience and an important responsibility. Be sure to call on your home inspector to help you devise an annual maintenance plan that can help keep your family safe and your home in good condition for years to come.